Want to supercharge your mornings and feel amazing all day? Your breakfast is the key. 31 million Americans skip a healthy morning meal, missing out on life-changing benefits. Join me for 3 delicious, science-backed breakfasts to transform your health and energy. Hello, everyone. Breakfast sets the stage for your energy, focus, and health, yet 31 million of us skip it daily, per a 2024 United States Department of Agriculture report. Poor breakfast choices contribute to obesity and heart disease, affecting 42% of adults and costing $150 billion annually, per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Today, we're sharing 3 nutrient-packed breakfast recipes and morning habits to kickstart your day. These meals are quick, affordable, and tailored for American lifestyles, perfect for parents, professionals, or students. Backed by the latest research, we'll show you how to fuel your body and thrive. Let's make your mornings healthy and delicious. Our first breakfast is a berry oatmeal power bowl, a fiber-rich, heart-healthy start. A 2023 Journal of Nutrition study found that 40 grams of oats daily reduce low-density lipoprotein cholesterol by 7%, lowering heart disease risk for the 48% of Americans at risk, per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Berries add antioxidants, reducing inflammation by 10%, per a 2024 nutrient study. Ingredients: serves 1 half cup rolled oats, 50 cents, available at Walmart. 1 cup of almond milk, unsweetened, 30 cents. 1 cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen, $3 per pound. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 20 cents, high in omega-3 fatty acids. 1 teaspoon honey, 10 cents, optional. Instructions: in a small pot, cook oats with almond milk over medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring until creamy. Top with berries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Serve warm or prep overnight in a mason jar for a grab-and-go option. Nutrition: approximate 300 calories, 8 grams fiber, 10 grams protein, 7 grams fat. Why it works: fiber stabilizes blood sugar, reducing hunger, per a 2021 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Antioxidants: berries fight oxidative stress, aiding weight management, per a 2023 obesity study. Omega-3 fatty acids: chia seeds support heart health, per a 2024 circulation study. Practical tip: prep multiple servings in jars for a 5-minute breakfast. Oats cost $2 per pound, making this a budget-friendly choice at $1 per meal. Next up is a spinach and egg veggie scramble, a protein-packed breakfast to boost metabolism. A 2023 Journal of the American College of Nutrition study found that high-protein breakfasts increase satiety by 20%, aiding weight loss. Eggs provide choline, supporting brain health, per a 2021 nutrient study. Ingredients: serves 1 2 large eggs, 50 cents, available at Kroger. 1 cup of fresh spinach, 30 cents. 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, 20 cents. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 10 cents. 1 slice of whole grain toast, 20 cents. Instructions: heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add spinach and tomatoes. Sauté for 2 minutes. Whisk eggs and pour into skillet. Scramble for 3 to 4 minutes. Serve with whole grain toast. Nutrition: approximate 350 calories, 18 grams protein, 4 grams fiber, 20 grams fat. Why it works: protein: eggs curb hunger, reducing daily calorie intake by 400, according to a 2024 obesity study. Vitamins: spinach provides vitamin K and folate, supporting heart health, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Whole grains: toast stabilizes blood sugar, per a 2021 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Practical tip: buy eggs in bulk, $3 per dozen, and pre-chop veggies for a 10-minute meal, perfect for United States mornings. Our final breakfast is a green smoothie with spinach and banana, ideal for busy mornings. A 2023 Journal of Nutrition study found that leafy greens improve energy and reduce heart disease risk by 12%. Bananas add potassium, supporting blood pressure, per a 2024 hypertension study. Ingredients: serves 1 1 cup spinach, 30 cents. Aldi. 1 banana, 20 cents. 1 cup almond milk, unsweetened, 30 cents. 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 15 cents. Half cup ice. Instructions. Add spinach, banana, almond milk, peanut butter, and ice to a blender. Blend until smooth, about 1 minute. Pour into a glass or to-go cup. Nutrition, approximate 250 calories, 7 grams protein, 5 grams fiber, 10 grams fat. Why it works. Potassium. Bananas lower blood pressure, per a 2021 nutrient study. Antioxidants. Spinach fights oxidative stress, per a 2023 Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Protein. Peanut butter adds satiety, per a 2024 obesity study. Practical tip. Use a blender like Ninja, $50 at Amazon, and frozen spinach, $2 per bag, for a 5-minute breakfast. A healthy breakfast is just the start. Doctors pair it with morning habits to maximize wellness. A 2024 nutrient study found that hydration and movement enhance breakfast's benefits, improving energy by 20%. Morning habits. Hydration. Drink 2 cups of water upon waking to aid digestion, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Use a reusable bottle, $10 at Target. Movement. 10 minutes of stretching or walking boosts metabolism, per a 2024 American Journal of Preventive Medicine study. Try United States park trails, free. Mindfulness. 5 minutes of deep breathing reduces stress by 15%, per a 2023 psychosomatic medicine study, using apps like Calm, $70 per year. Practical tip. Start your day with water, a quick stretch, and a moment of mindfulness to amplify your breakfast's impact. These habits fit busy United States schedules. These breakfasts and habits can transform your mornings and health. Take our 30-day healthy breakfast challenge. Try 1 recipe daily, add hydration and movement, and track your energy. Share your progress at nutrition.org and inspire others. With 42% of Americans battling obesity, your choices matter. Consult a dietitian via choosemyplate.gov, and let's make mornings healthier across the United States. That's it for our guide to a healthy breakfast morning time. Subscribe for more daily health tips and comment below. Which breakfast are you trying first? Let's keep the conversation going and build a healthier United States. See you tomorrow.